guys, and a very, very big welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here again, and today I'm going to be cooking a really very special dish. It's special to me and my family. We love it. It's butternut squash with chorizo and delicious pasta. We're using fresh produce from the garden. I really hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, give it a share to all your friends, that'd be great. And yeah, it's time to carry on. We need some tomatoes, and you can't get better than fresh ones. So here I am, picking fresh ones, straight from out of the greenhouse. Aren't they looking good? And some fresh sage. And fresh sage, yeah, I love growing fresh herbs. You can grow this all the year round. So there are the tomatoes that I picked, and there's the sage. Now we're also going to need these other things: black pepper, sea salt. There's our butternut squash, nice fresh one. Also we're going to need some pasta to go with this lovely dish, and a bit of olive oil just for cooking. So off we go. The sage. I'll cut those naughty little stalks off the end because I don't want to taste those. They'll be a bit tough, so they can all go. And I tear the sage rather than cutting it. You get more flavour that way. Now your chorizo, I'm going to cut into little cubes, little squares. Just about this size, like this. There we go, that's that job done. Then we can peel the butternut squash. I use this little peeler type gadget to do this. Also, I'm going to be taking the seeds out. Best to do this with a spoon, I think. Just spoon them out. There we go, we don't want that. And I'm going to cut this into cubes too. It's all cubes, isn't it? There we go. That's another job done. Now the tomatoes, I'm going to cut these down. And I don't know about you guys, I like to remove that little tough stalky bit. Take that out of the way. We don't want that. Then carry on, cut the rest up. Next step, get an oven dish. I'll put some tin foil in the bottom of this to help keep it clean. Then we can go in with the butternut squash. Spread our chopped tomatoes over the top. Try and get it nice and even. Then on with the sage. Chuck that over. This is going to give it such a delicious flavour. Then our chorizo, all in those nice little squares. There we go. And a seasoning. Plenty of salt. And of course, plenty of this lovely black pepper. And our olive oil. A nice healthy glug of this. Nice and evenly all over the top. Then we can give this a good mix together. And of course, then it's off to the oven. Gas mark 7 for 25 minutes or until the squash is cooked right through and tender. Now this is what we end up with. Don't that look delicious? Now I've cooked the pasta, and I'm going to put this pasta into this fresh clean bowl I've got here, and then add all of our vegetables and the chorizo, and don't forget all that juice, that lovely juice that's in the bottom there. Give this a mix together, and then we're ready to plate up. Oh, doesn't that look good? That looks so tasty. I like a bit of grated Parmesan cheese over the top of mine. Would you? There are a few shots of my dinner tonight. Bye folks.